There I was, walking past B&M, and what did I come across but some minifigures that have retired. Season, what is it, 26, series 26? And I was like, oh yes, because I've actually got that one. But yeah, I don't think I've got the shield. That came in a group of Lego bits that I bought. But I really like the this space series, and I thought, oh, here's my chance to get one because I didn't get any when these were out. So let's have a look at which one we got in this mystery Lego minifigure box. I like that spaceman. So I'll just open the side and let's see which minifigure we've got in this space series. Interesting. Looks a bit like a guy in a suit. Have a look on here. I haven't looked at the whole set yet. It'll be interesting to see which one this is. So here we have a selection of characters. Oh, I think I got this one. Some sort of weird looking Cyclops character. Oh, there's that alien tourist. That's a good one. That one with the baby space character. I like that. Well, that one's cool as well. Oh, that one looks ace. It reminds me of the movie with oh. Oh, what is that film called? Oh, think about that. Got George Clooney in it and Sandra Bullock. Can't remember. It does remind me of that though. What the heck? Oh well, let's build this one. Let's see what it looks like. So here he is. I've built it. I don't really know what to say. It's very weird. It's like there's a little bloke, like these little blokes. You get three of them inside this robot, and he's sort of controlling it, a bit like a Men in Black sort of thing. I quite like it actually. It's very weird, but I do like weird sometimes. Yeah, very strange, but I do find it quite interesting. Yeah, I've got that one, but I haven't got the shield. So I remember looking at it thinking, what's that? Oh, look at that one. It's weird. She looks good. That's some sort of robot penguin. I like this. I like the little baby. I think he looks really cool. I really want that one. Might go get another one and see if I can get that one just by chance. Just see. I'll go back into B&M and get another one. See what happens. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this episode. If you've got any of these, which one's your favourite one? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.